The color tool is very handy to help finish off your designs and really make them look nice. The color tool, very easy to use. I can just go into my tools, and down at the bottom I have color. I can tap to select whatever I would like to change the color of, and that might be individual faces, bodies, or groups. So maybe if I just tap this face here, I'm just changing the color of that front face of my coffee table design. And I can change that using the color wheel here, green color. I can change the saturation as well as the luminosity here. And just the same, if I were to double tap on that object, now I'm not just changing the color of a single face, but that entire body. So maybe I'd like this frame of my coffee table to be a bit of a dark kind of metallic color. So I'm going to give some kind of color. Maybe something like this, and I can fine tune that as needed. And once I'm happy with that, I'll hit the check. And now I have kind of a dark metallic color for the frame. And just the same, go back into my tools, color, and now I want to change the color of, say, this top face here. And I can change multiple bodies at once, so I can double tap here as well. And I'm going to change this color of both of these components of my coffee table here to be, let's say, some sort of wood. So something like a nice brown color, something like this. And tap the check to finish that off. So now I have a nice looking coffee table. I have a few more options, so I'll go back into my tools, into my color tool. So down at the bottom you can see I have a number of my previously used colors, so I can jump back to any colors I have there. And I also have the eyedropper there, so I can use the eyedropper to use any existing color. So for example, now if I tap on that metallic frame, and now I could apply that metallic frame color onto my top face here. Finally, I have a opacity option. So let's say instead I'd like my top plate of my coffee table to be kind of a see-through glass. So on the right hand side I have opacity, and I can make this kind of a see-through glass color. And tap the check mark to finish it off. So here we can see I have a whole number of very useful color tools, really just to help me finish off my designs and projects. In the next few lessons, we'll learn some more tools such as draft and shell.